How to recover YouTube password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover YouTube password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, if you're trying to switch your account or trying to just sign in, simply tap on the sign in button and then type in the email. So right here, if you want to recover your YouTube's password, you'll actually need to recover your Gmail's password. That is your Google account's password. So just type in your Gmail. And after you type in your Gmail, tap on next. After you tap on next, you'll get an option to type in your password. So here, if you have forgotten your password, what you do is tap on forgot password, that is on the left bottom. After you tap on forgot password, it will take some time, but there you can verify your account. Now, since my device, my email is already in my device, they have verified it's me. Now, if that's not the case for you, what you can do is you can actually just type in your email. They will give you a mail in your email right here. They will send you a recovery email. Then after there, you can simply reset your password from there. After you tap on reset password or update password that you get on the mail, you'll be on this section. So from here, you will be able to create a new password. So type in a new password and confirm it. And then you can tap on save password to save it. So I'll just skip this process for now. And that is basically how you recover your YouTube password. Now you can, and that is basically how you recover your YouTube's password. Now you can, you can just recover your Gmail with this as well. Your Gmail's password, that is your Google account's password, is altogether changed with this. So you can now log into your YouTube account using this. And that's how you recover YouTube password, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.